Good morning, folks. I've got a sore throat this morning, so I am going to make some of my own cough medicine. And I've sliced up some lemons and added thyme that I picked earlier this year. Now I'm going to pour honey over top and let that all mix together and sit for, I don't know, like until this evening. And then I'll be able to enjoy that and soothe my sore throat and help any cough that I might develop. And it tastes really good too. You could add it to tea. Trying to get some down here to the very bottom. There we go. Plus I get to lick the spoon now.